Hey guys, so in this video let us do a honest self-evaluation of our GATE preparation and whether we can crack GATE or not, because only about 4 months are remaining for GATE. So I will talk generally for GATE, all GATE aspirants, but little bit more focus will be given to GATE Civil, GATE Environmental Science and GATE Geomatics. So before I start this video, I will just take about 15 seconds of your time to tell about APSCD. So as all of you might know, we provide very precise courses and more than 33 plus rankers are under 100 in GATE C and ES last year, and we have GATE offers now. Like this is till October only, October 31st only. You have specific courses for GATE Civil, GATE Environmental Science and Geomatics, and for numerical learning also. Like you have test series and a unique solve series. So you can check all about it. So I am leaving the link in the description. You can check all about it. Now coming back to the video. So honestly, let us try and do a self-evaluation. So if you are appearing, if you are a GATE Civil aspirant and that is your primary paper, you should have at least completed the major subjects by now. Major subjects as in, even if you have completed 2 to 3 subjects, only then it is possible, or you should have at least given GATE before and have a good background of all the subjects. Then if you are starting now, it makes sense. So if you have completed like at least the major subjects like geotechnical engineering and environmental engineering, or if you have completed geotechnical engineering and engineering maths, so about like you have prepared for like some 25 to 30 marks, and your aptitude also is pretty much easy. So you have completed about 40 marks only, 60 marks is left. So that is possible. And if you have completed more than 2 subjects, well and good. So you are on track, but make sure you complete the remaining syllabus. So if you are totally starting from scratch and you do not have a background of the subjects or have not given GATE before, it is slightly tougher, because only few months are left and GATE Civil syllabus is very huge. So I am not saying it is impossible, but it is slightly tough if you are starting from scratch. So you should go for the high weightage topic first. So all this was made in a video by Aditya sir. So go and check that out about the strategy for cracking GATE Civil with like 4 to 5 months. And now let's move on to GATE Environmental Science. So if you see GATE Environmental Science, so again, if you have completed 1 or 2 subjects, it's good, but this one does not take as much time as GATE Civil. So what we have seen is students have just studied for 3 to 4 months, but they studied consistently and cracked it. So try to finish the major subject first, and you have the subjects like global and regional environmental issues, environmental management, this air pollution part, noise pollution part. So these are slightly easier things. These you can keep for later also, because these you can quickly read through. So try to go for the numerical intensive ones and finish it, so that will go off your mind. So for if you are appearing for GATE Environmental Science and you haven't still started, there is still a good chance. And the same I would say for GATE Geomatics as well. So all of you would have already seen the syllabus. There is a compulsory syllabus and there is an optional syllabus, and the syllabus length is comparatively much lesser when compared to environmental science or civil engineering. So here what you can do is, in the coming 1 month or so, you try to finish those subjects which you already know. So you feel like you have significantly completed some portion, and the remaining portion you can spread it over the next few months. And GATE Geomatics is totally possible even if you are starting today, but you have to give in time consistently. And we also have a GATE Geomatics booster course which you can make use of. And like I told you, all these courses are in a limited offer till October 31st. So this self-evaluation I want every one of you to do yourself, and we also have a tool here where you can find out your chances of cracking GATE 2022. So you just click on that. So it is suitable for people who are appearing for GATE 2022 obviously. So you give the paper which you are attempting. Let's say you are giving GATE Geomatics. So here you will say how many subjects you have completed. So like that there are 5 questions, and each subject what you have done, like a checklist sort of, whichever you have completed, just honestly tick it. So I will also do the form along with you. Let's say I have completed 50% of the syllabus and I am going a good coverage of the syllabus. I have solved GATE PYQs. I have noted down important points, but I have not solved other than PYQs. So okay, and I will start revision, let's say, and I can solve almost more than 80% of the PYQs, and I am also giving subject test and analyzing them for my mistakes. So here you can see I just completed 50% of the syllabus. So it is saying that I just have 59% chances of cracking GATE 2022. So for each of whatever percentage you get, there is an action plan also. So you just click on the action plan, and here you will find for each action, for based on your percentage, what you can do further. So this will give you an idea, but from here you have to work. You have to self-evaluate even more deeper and then start planning the rest of your months. This October we have special offers for you. There is a GATE specific course. There are GATE specific courses for civil engineering, environmental science and geomatics. So it is a limited offer till October 31st only. And we also have this test series for GATE civil and GATE environmental science, and a unique solve series where you can do this challenging questions. Let's say you are already at 90% preparation level. This is going to help you even more because you will get used to face these challenging questions which come like few in GATE, but if you do that you will have more chances of getting a top rank. So this link I am putting in the description below. So if you are interested, so make use of it before October 31st. Definitely don't miss out on the test series. So our team is working hard to prepare GATE level questions, and last year most of the toppers from APACD regularly attempted the test series and made full use of it. I would want all of you also to do the same. And in the coming days I will make more and more videos. We can talk about how to prepare in the next few months for GATE environmental science, GATE geomatics, how to make use of test series. And if you have any other video suggestion, just put it in the comment section below.